I want to believe we are all working on it. Please, you can show others there who don't understand. So, please, let's watch. Let's watch. Let's look up. Now, as you can see from here and from my end. Okay. So from here now, let's go back and look at some things. So if you look at from here now, you see that some things are beginning to take shape, right? Some are taking shape, more names. So this one showing red, they have not created their user page. All these ones showing red. But if you look at it, most of the participants here now have. So it means we are making progress. So for those of us who understand how to do this, it is our own duty now to show those who don't know how to do it. Okay. Now look, this one here. So for the not assigned, if you look at some articles here are yet to be assigned. But this fear, is it fear? Yes. Okay. So whosoever did this one didn't do it right. So we'll find a way to do it properly, the right way. So how do you do that? You have to come from the beginning here. You see here? So click on edit source.
Here they can see it. They are using mobile view. This is desktop view.
So from here, if you look here, so you have to come from the beginning here at the top. Articles for creation. You see the pen tool. The pen tool is here. Now I want to show us how to add words yourself. Because if you look at it, there are some space without the words. So I want to show us how to do this. But after we meet here today, you are the ones that will take charge of whatever we are doing. So pay attention to this. And you click again to so if you click again to now, then you scroll down. So you scroll down. I'm looking for that word. Here. Look at it here. You do see it? So the only thing that is wrong with this word, if you look at this one, you see this one? You see this bracket that is put. You see it's missing here. This bracket, this one. Put it here. Put it at the beginning. And here. Now we see how it is. I put it under this bracket. So let's publish it and see how this one looks. All right, so let's scroll down and look at it. Now, do you see it? It has become active. Do you see it? It's confusion. So, what do you call white in here? All right, so let's try to do it. So let's try to do that. Remember, always find your pencil at the top. It is always at the top from this article for operation. The pencil is always there. So you click on it. You scroll down. Okay, look at another one here. Okay, white. So remember, we are about to create the word white. We are about to add the word white. So what do you say white is? Remember, first you have to put two brackets at the beginning. You have entered it.
But I think this word is an adjective. If it's an adjective, it's not supposed to. Okay. It's a noun.
So what do you say white is? Shampoo. H-A on the line. Then what? B. Look at it here. Okay, another U. Like this. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, this one is been done. So the only thing, if you are adding a new, make sure you put this two brackets before the word and then after the word. Are we seeing it? Instead of just writing it alone like a comma, please use the blanket to show that. So by the time you publish it, you see it is act. So okay.
Maybe just to remove the notice.
Now you see we have added this one here. And some people have already assigned it to themselves. John, Shama. Is it Shama or Shama? People should be calming down. That's another word name in our language. Shema. Okay. So this person has already assigned it. Then someone had to assign Shaku. Okay. So please, as soon as you assign it, make sure you are working on them. This is another one here, by Nina. Is it? By now. This one is great. Okay. Okay. So this one is not assigned. Which one? Okay. So please, are we all here? So how many people are currently working on magazine? No. How many people are currently working? Okay. So let's we're going to assign more articles to us. So let's look at this one that not the work. Who's working on this by now? So you, sir, are you working on anyone?
That's a good queen. It has to be a queen speaker.
Okay, yes. Okay, so maybe you work on this one. By you are ready?
No. No, it has to be a queen speaker.
Yes.
Okay, Queen.
Okay, so go ahead. I feel assigned to us. You are about to. Okay. Now we have now. Okay, this one doesn't work. Now we have G. That's G, right? Yeah. So sir, we work on this. Yes. G. G. Then who is next to you?
Range.
Yes. Then who is next to you? Grace. You are passing one. Which one?
Chi.
Okay. So the next that is you work on.
He's already working on one.
You also working on one.
He's
Okay.
working on Hyam. Hyam.
Okay. Go ahead. Who is next? Emma, are you working on anyone? Type. Who's the next person then? Okay, you work on Tyap. Sky. Okay, so who is not working? Let me see your hand. The two of you. Everybody is working on something. You work on Tyap. Really? This one. Mm. This is the So this one. This one here. That's the Tyap language. So
The dollar will be general.
so when we work on dollar. Dollar. Yes. Just work on dollar.
Dollar.
Dollar. Work on it. If you are done with one, just assign another one. Make sure before you start your translation, assign it to yourself. Assign it.
Mettez une chantage. Tous les temps,
Sorry of the topic. I cannot trace where the goal line is.
Make it easier for copy to you just remove not assigned and replace with 40 that in this not assigned leave it done. You should just delete the you just to delete this one and then put this symbol 1 to 40 next is to create a new article.
Remember, come. Yes, sir. So like this one. Yes. But let me ask you this one you must not at this age, it is important. You can so now you can just execute
Is it G or G? G, not J.
So this is three types. So please let's begin to round up our translation because immediately after this one, we are going into the next one. Please let's begin to round up. I believe we all understand how this one is going on. How to assign attribute, right?
Okay.
So from our work, we're working on the Wikipedia integration. Now we want to go into the archive scripts. Yes. So we have a very short time. So I think for those of us who are working on something, maybe we'll just hold on a little bit. Let us address this one because of time. Let's see how to address it. Maybe after this session, then we can also continue with that. You guys, that's okay now. Let us pause a little. What we are going to do now is requires us to pay attention. It's not something we are writing. It's just an awareness want to create about something important. Hello? Just want to create awareness. It's not something we are going to write, we are going to type. No. Just create awareness about something very important called the archive scripts. Alright? So if that is okay, let us please pay attention.
Oh, now that there's no light, how do we do it? It's dark. So maybe you have a marker. We need to
That's all right. Let me open the music.
So, can we see the board from there? Carry it. No, just sit down.
So what we are used to is the writing that is called the Latin alphabet. So what we use in the Hyam orthography currently is called the Latin alphabet. What the English people also use, it is the Latin alphabet. And what many languages in the world use is Latin alphabet. But when you go to China, you begin to see something like this. Or when you go to Japan, you begin to see something like this. Or when you go to Saudi Arabia, you begin to see something like this. Sometimes you see it like this. Sometimes you see another one like this. When you see this, which kind of writing is this one called? Arabic. Small water. That was what I was looking for. But we have a new writing system called the Akai writing. So it is written this way. If you open to your document, you open to page, I don't know what page it is in your hard copy, the appendix, you are going to see in this document, you are going to see at appendix, after the appendix, this one's right there. But what page is the appendix? Okay, number 16, page, page 14. So from page 14, you are going to see there. So this Akai, this is the Latin form of it. But if you are going to render it, this is A, this is K.
Use this one. This one is
Okay, water. Yes, the water has made it. So this is A, this is K, this is A, this is E. You can see letter A, letter I. What is this called in English when you see two of them? I, A, E, I. Okay, these are diphthongs, isn't it? So whenever you have diphthongs, you are going to arrange them one upon the other using this writing system. So if you have O and E, this is OI, camera. You have O and E, one upon the other. O is on top, E is below. But if you have O, O, E, you have K, O, E. You understand it? So you can see that this one is R, this one is R, but they look different. So whenever you have this R starting the letter, starting the word, you write it like this. But if it is after the very first position, it is in the middle, at the end, anything that is not middle, you change it to this one. But there are only three of them that you change like that. The very first one is the R. The second one is the The third one is the A. Oh, sorry. The A. But for Hyam, Hyam has the E, the open E. So we'll have the E for Hyam. So Hyam would use four of them in 2 ways. So this is when you are starting it at the very beginning. Camera, can you snap it?
Yes, camera.
So if it is at the beginning, you write it this way. And then if it is not at the very beginning, you write this one this way. You write this one this way. You write this one this way. And then you write this one this way. But any other one, any other vowel sound, like E, he also has okay. He has I underscore. He has O, and then he has O. Yes. So this one has only one form. And then this is for O is the same thing as O, and then U is just a dot. U. Yes. But we also have a longer form of it. We have that's A, F. So for this very when you are beginning the word, but I don't know if you have has any word that starts with
You don't
don't
have
have it. Okay, in that very case, this will be written this way. Then this one is written then this one you just change this upside down. You have A, and then we'll have N. But just in case you have something like this, you render this one this way. But also in case you have something like this, you render it this is the same thing with this one. If in case you have something like this one, A, you render it this way, A, and then if you have something like this one, M, you render it also this way. So all the vowel sounds, you suspend them up at the very top, and then the vowel sounds and the consonant sounds are between up and down. from this from this angle. So we have them all there. So okay. So what's the date? Okay, 28th of September 2025. But also write this date in your title. So we have 28th of September. We can write in a dash September is 09 and then 20. Sorry. 2025. Is it funny? Maybe we'll do 2 minutes laughing break.
Well done.
So this is the vowel sound system. And if you are writing the O the diphthongs, oi, a, I, which one again?
Yeah.
Yeah, like this.
I am sure some.
I, okay, here, like
Sure
this.
some.
Yeah, this is the short sound, that's this one.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's A on the line.
I'm doing that.
No, this is the short sound they are talking about, right? But in the orthography, it's written A on the line. And this is how you write it using this archive script. You write E and then this is A and E, and then this is O and E. This is R and E, and then this is E and R, one on top of the other. But just in case we have 3 vowel sounds combined together like this. Oi, oi, oyo, oyo. You are going to have O, E, and then you have this divider. Then you have another O. So just in case you have a word like this, loyo, loyo, then we are going to write la, O, E, and then divide it, and then you have O, loyo.